They know what they're getting. But no, here's the thing.
Oh, wow. Back to the serious.
Holy cow, 1,000%.
Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are Vocal Lab Collective. Hi, Katie.
Hi, I was a little bit late on that.
You were.
I was. To be honest, I was thinking about my hair. If it looked messy or not.
Leave a comment what you think about Katie's hair.
Yeah, it's a little bit crazy today.
But you're a little bit crazy every day.
Every day.
You know what I'm talking about?
Oh.
Hey, so speaking of crazy, where are we going today? Back to...
Morissette land.
Yeah, you know, it's hard to say no to all the crazy... Not crazy like Katie crazy.
Well,
I'm just saying, like,
crazy.
No, it's a fun crazy. I mean crazy in the sense of, like, they're just so, like, Morissette everything.
Yes.
You Morissette fans, you, like...
You level up.
Yeah, you do. So does the BTS Army. So did the Fourth Impact Girls.
Yeah.
You know, the Biebers, the Swifties. Like, there are certain fan groups that like, that's why these people are so crazy successful.
1,000%.
Right? And what do they say? You need like it's the rule of 1,000. You need like 1,000 really, really great fans who really are more like friends, you know, because you really support everything. If you have 1,000, you can do anything, right?
Yeah.
So,
literally 1,000%.
Today, we're going to make all you Morissette fans and friends happy because we're doing which song, Katie?
We are doing Gusto Kanang.
You do have a good little nasal resonance, like, to do several, like, Asian dialects.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, speaking of... We didn't do it. We didn't do it. Hit the subscribe.
Yes, subscribe.
Go to our Instagram.
Yes.
Go to our Facebook. Go to our Patreon.
Everything. Yeah,
all
we
the
gotta
things.
do Patreon.
Support
Bring
us.
Carlos on full time so we can do this more with everybody.
Heck, bring me on full time.
Yeah.
No, but Carlos.
I'm already full time.
Oh, you are full time. She is full time. Here we go. Let's do it.
Oh.
So dramatic.
Release. This is a project, our latest project, but this is under Star Music, and this is one of the soundtracks for The Broken Marriage Vow, originally by Ms. Shireen Reyes, produced by Mr. Jonathan Manalo. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my version of Gusto ko ng bumitaw.
I like hearing her talk and give it a little personality because we haven't seen all that with her reactions. Oh, she plays piano.
Walang tinig na naririnig,
She's married. She married. I see her.
Yeah, she has.
Lucky man.
Hanggang kailan, talo na,
I think she sings to him every night.
You better beg for it.
akala ko'y kaysa akin pa pero hindi na pala. Wala na nga ba talaga? Naglalakalag sa kadilim, naliligaw, nalilito, ano nga ba ako sa'yo? Sino nga ba ako sa'yo?
This is so touching.
It's so touching.
Don't
And
interrupt
Katie,
it.
No,
I'm
I have
sorry,
to. I have to because Katie made a
messed it up.
comment. You didn't mess
I
it up.
messed it
That
up.
was brilliantly in
I
the
know.
moment,
It was,
and it was funny.
It was not meant the way that it was taken.
Well, it really made you cry.
No. Can we just keep going with the
No,
song?
we can't. I will have a comment. That's why I stopped it more than your, moment you're having. I stopped it because this is really cool. This is like the most stripped down, tender, innocent, and one of the most vulnerable vocals I've heard her give of all we've listened to, right?
Right,
This is very basic and simple. And so I really love hearing the tender sweetness in her vocal here.
Right. Because
Because she's power, she's crazy, she's range, all the diva things. This is
very relatable.
Yeah, it's special when that happens, right? So
I'm just gonna...
Dito sa aking pagkakahalay, sa dibdib ko ay parang may nakatagang walang kasing lungkot.
It's a lot of articulation.
Such articulation.
Yeah.
Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw pa ng puso. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, may pag-asa pa siguro. Kalaban sa sarili, sino bang dapat pumili? Sino nga ba ako pa o Diyos ko'y paglaya mo. Kung ang sugat sa pusong kung siyang lunas dyan sa puso mo.
Oh, got gruffy there.
Magpapalaya ba? Papakawalan na lamang bakit ang buhok sa loob? Pinanghihinaan na ng loob. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw pa ng puso. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, may pag-asa pa siguro. Kalaban sa sarili, sino pang dapat pumili? Sino nga ba, ako ba o ikaw? Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Gusto ko nang bumitaw.
Oh. Haven't heard you that before.
I haven't heard you that.
That was cool.
Kumahagulgol, ngunit wala namang nakikinig. Wala magandang pupuntahan, kailanman ang maling pag-ibig. Kaya ngayon pipiliin ko muna ang aking sarili bago magmahal muli. Magmamahalan pa kaya? Magmamahalan pa kaya tayo muli?
Oh, gosh.
That's gospel right there.
That is so gospel. Good call.
Gusto ko na bumitaw.
Key change.
She does. That's also gospel.
Yeah, it is.
Gusto ko na bumitaw. May pag-asa pa siguro. Kalaban ang sarili, sino bang dapat pumili? Sino nga ba, ako ba o ikaw? Gusto ko na bumitaw. Gusto
Is that
ko
G?
na bumitaw.
That sounds like it.
Gusto ko na bumitaw. 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 Gusto ko na
I
bumitaw.
think she's freestyling a bit here.
Pipiliin ko na sarili. Bibitaw. Bibitaw na.
Almost whisper right there, right?
Alam niyo na bakit worth yun ng Yamashita?
Oh,
Wow.
gosh.
Wow.
Okay, you hear the person? Do you hear the person in the back?
Yes. I mean, wow.
Okay, so I have a lot of things to say, actually.
Yes.
So one thing is when you watch Morissette, you always know what you're going to get. Every time you watch her, it's still a surprise.
That's really, really big statement.
Yeah.
Because I had not put that together in mind. You're exactly right. I
Yeah.
know it's always going to be great.
It's always going to
I
be
know
great.
she's always going to impress me with something. But you're right. I'm still surprised by
I'm still
things.
and I think that's also just part of her, the genuine, just heart and soul of her, which is why you guys are such devout fans, because you really are able to connect with her, because we're able to connect with her through this. I'm a huge fan of seeing things stripped down, because
Yes.
that's when you really can tell a real artist.
That's when you know it's real.
Yeah, like
Right?
the authenticity. I loved that I could see that she was going from the piano to kind of maybe like scrolling up on something for lyrics or maybe chords or whatever it may be. So the fact that she was juggling, kind of keeping track of that with this, with bringing just the emotion, all of it.
All of it. And she created a moment in that. And you know, every singer and every song, it really only takes one song to win over a
Right.
crowd, right?
Yeah.
And so something like this, she takes us on that journey. We use a reference a lot like being on a roller coaster.
Mm-hmm.
People love roller coasters, right? And it's because there's so much drama and dynamics, right? But there's also that suspense of the slow build, click, 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 click. as you go up the hill, right?
Right. And that's what that beginning of that song is.
That's the beginning right there. And she had all of us in the palm of her hand.
Yeah.
So
and she
stripped
opened up
down,
a register we've never heard.
Exactly. She just opened, and like I said, there's a little gospel, like you said. I made a comment where she's like, it felt like she was like improvising and freestyling, but maybe like she had never done it that way before. Yeah. That's true artistry.
1,000%. I say that so many times in these videos.
You sure do, and you say "holy cow."
I do say "holy cow."
Which is good because we put up the cow, right?
All the counts.
But to the point, you know, that is true artistry. We all can sit here and realize that Morissette, you got one of the best vocals on the planet right now.
Planet. She's still in top 3 for me.
That is a gift. That is a beautiful, special instrument. But what you do with it is what makes it really uniquely, specially yours. It's why you can continue to keep us in attention and keep us in awe. And sometimes we freak out. It's just fantastic.
You know, and personally, I was also drawn in where this song was sitting in the mouth of where she was singing. And I think I would actually love to jump into some tips with this. Was a huge request for you Morissette fans.
Yeah, we should do some tips.
And so I would love to give you guys some tips on some things that how it sits in the mouth, and just some little exercises y'all can do.
God, we're so bad. I'm sorry. Now I'm laughing.
Oh my God!
You said the tip sits in the mouth.
Yeah, put it in your mouth.
You said it, I didn't.
No, but I didn't think about it.
Do we have to bleep that out?
I don't know. Oh, at this point, probably not, because they know what they're getting. But no, here's the thing.
Oh, wow.
Rewind.
Back to the serious.
Holy cow, 1,000%. But no, I want to give you guys some vocal tips.
Thank you.
On how just some little things that you guys can do at home to sing along with her.
Yeah.
You know, she's your idol for a reason, and of course we love singing to our idols. I love to sing to her, to Celine Dion, to Whitney Houston, Mariah Carey, to Jason, Catron. Obviously, stream him on Spotify.
Well, that wasn't a plug. You really like to sing like me.
I do.
Crazy. Oh, hey, come on. That was sexy, Katie.
Thank you.
Wow.
It comes naturally.
Sure.
But no, so we're gonna throw that in for y'all, because these are also songs that really challenge us as vocal coaches too.
It does.
Because it's just so dynamically insane.
Yeah.
So
you know what
I'm
else we
excited
should
to jump that in.
You know what else we should throw in there? Jump that in. You know what else we should jump that in?
What should we jump that in?
Carlos, our resident international, bilingual, multi-talented... Sexy.
Multi-sexy.
Puerto Rican.
Should you step in just to remind?
Do you know any... like Filipino words?
You can tell them salamat.
Salamat.
Thank you.
What's it mean? Oh yeah, we're just saying it like we're saying it like it could have been like real bad. Good thing we trust him. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Carlos.
So to all of our fans in the Philippines and around the world, and to everyone who loves Morissette, who is from the Philippines, salamat. Salamat. Until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
Not any of
You know what? We are just getting started.